starting the main one. So hi everybody, this is Unit 5, Quality Management. I'm Samantha Gale,
And I'm Hannah Baber.
and we're going to go ahead and define the key terms and explain the importance for this unit. So Hannah is first.
Okay, so the first term is quality planning, and it's planning is always, of course, very important. Poor prior planning leads to poor performance. My dad always said, but this is setting up the quality standards and figuring out what you'll be measuring to ensure the quality throughout the project. So it's kind of just setting yourself up for success and making sure that it will be checked and the quality will be kept up throughout. And this step is important because you want to be able to measure your quality throughout instead of getting to the end, you realize there's a quality problem and then you would have to redo or start over. And that's best case scenario because it might just be too late. And that would be expensive and cost a lot of time and money to redo the project. And then that kind of leads into quality control, which is the process to be used to ensure that the product meets the needs and expectations for you. Is this? Sorry. Okay. I was like, sorry, I was reading. I was like, I don't think I wrote this. Um, that's funny. Um, Quality assurance that leads into quality assurance, and this can be how you assure clients that the quality protocol is being followed and the quality tests are being done. And it could be done in a few different ways, by charting your progress and things like that, and checking sharing how you check your quality that you made in your quality plan. And this is important for project managers because it not only serves as a way to interact with customers and make sure their needs are met, which is of course very important, but it also offers an opportunity for continuous improvement as a quality manager because you do have those constant checks and you can see how your project is going, and it allows you to reflect on the quality of your projects. Even in your next project, you can use this project to see how it went, and you can use that data for that.
Oh, going for a master's in technology, and I can't even work the backward and forward buttons. But all right, so the next one was with quality control. So the process by using businesses to ensure the product meets or exceeds the needs and expectations for the use. This can be aesthetics, the way it looks, the reliability, deliverability, or etc. This client as well as a development team, because we may have what we think a customer may need, but we can do an initial rollout and go, yeah, this is not exactly what we actually want or need. So this helps us go through and control that. If a product has low quality, customers are not satisfied, the product may not meet the not met the cause and decline the sales or possible company decline and going bankrupt. A couple of examples I was looking at trying to make sure, looking at what quality control is, I saw like Google Glasses way back early in the 2000s. They had the Google Glasses where you had the camera, the quality was not great, customers were not satisfied with the product itself, and that was pulled from the shelves and was discontinued. Crystal Pepsi was one that when I was a kid, I remember this one, but they took it off the shelves because it was just not meeting the satisfaction of the customers and being different than their original product. And then lastly, we have independent verification and validation. So independent verification is a non-biased outside party. So it's a third party not within the company trying to review and test the product to ensure the expectations that are set forth in the project and the planning are met. I've seen this done even in the classrooms. I will hand off my projects or my lessons and be like, "Can you run through this?" I don't see any mistakes. I hand it off to one of my peers. They look through it and see a couple mistakes and tell me to edit. As a developer, as a human, we have the ability to go in and not be objective to our own work and be able to bypass and overlook some of the mistakes, or where other people can go in without those rose colored glasses and pick those out. And then lastly, validation. This is a process to ensure product satisfaction, expectations, reliability as adhered to exceeding. This can be completed in-house or with an independent party. So like I said, I can hand it off to my peers that I'm in chemistry, my peers in biology will overlook it, make sure everything's good. Or we as chemistry teachers can look at our lessons and go through it. I've seen this, I was looking at different cell phones of where they were able to take the product to a different party and they were able to validate to make sure the product was good. And this actually works with in criminal cases. If they don't like the DNA results or any type of results, they send it to an outside party to validate what's going on. So these are the terms that we went through. Is there anything else that we need to address?
I don't think so. I think we kind of covered it.
Okay, so that is it for Unit 5. If you have any thoughts or any feedback, please leave it in the discussion board. All right.